Your decision, nobody else's. And here is what I can offer you. If you start with very simple elements, over 90% of the body is created by water. So the entire body is basically a big water bucket. So this water is like a river that's sitting. If a river sits for 3 days, it gets rotten and dirty, all the fish in it dies, everything is dead. But if the river is flowing and you dump toxins into that river, it's not a problem at all because the river is cleaning itself. So since we know from Otto Warburg and Max Planck, that both got the Nobel Prize in medicine for proving that cancer cannot grow or exist in an oxygen-rich alkaline environment, we know we just need to keep our body alkaline and oxygen-rich to prevent cancer. So that's not rocket science and known since 1936. And so why is your medical doctor not telling you that? That's my question. So it is very important that you understand the more you drink, the healthier you are. But it's not the water or the amount of water. And that's why you have to talk to Fred and listen to his lectures and go to his website, ewater.com. And you go to the Trinisol website and you listen to the seminars. And you understand why it needs to be energy-rich water. It needs to be water with the right frequencies. It needs to be living water. Nothing dead will give you life. And while you have the possibility in the breaks, please talk to Fred. You will never find anybody that's that knowledgeable about these issues like electromagnetic frequency or water, living water, energized water, and so on than Fred has. And this is where you need to start. You need to start with the basics. When I told a cancer patient, you caused your cancer, usually they wanted to kill me. Or they started this whining and complaining, I didn't cause my cancer, I don't want to have cancer, I don't want to die. And then this helpless thing, I don't know what to do. You eat like a pig, change it. You don't drink, change it. So, and this is where it all starts, where we all need to take responsibility. We need to take responsibility for our own health and our own life. Some people are overweight because of conditions that are in the body, and the conditions need to be fixed first, like the thyroid or the metabolism needs to be fixed. But that's a different story. And in my books, you find ways how to do it step by step, or you go to my website, instinctbasedmedicine.com, and you find all the information for free. So it's www.instinctbasedmedicine.com. And you find all the information there for free, or drleonardcoldwell.com. Both sites connect to each other. But you need to inform yourself. You need to be able to make educated decisions. And I just talked to a very nice gentleman that told me that his doctor told him he cannot have salt because he has high blood pressure. As I said before, high blood pressure is not caused or supported by salt. The opposite is true. The more salt you eat, the healthier you are, the better your blood pressure is. But it needs to be sea salt. So the cell has a pressure from the inside. And the cell needs a co-pressure from the outside, counter-pressure from the outside. And without salt, first of all, you don't get hydrated because the water just runs through. It doesn't stay in your system. On the other hand, the salt gives the water the consistency to be able to produce the pressure the cells need to have a counter-pressure to not get mutated or atrophied. So you need salt, and you need a gallon of water, living water, energy-rich water a day to be healthy and to stay healthy. Then we all, through breathing, even just simple breathing, we toxify our system. To everything we eat, everything we do, we toxify our system. Just existing toxifies our system because it's in the earth, it's in the ground, it's in the soaps, it's everywhere. These toxins are usually created to harm us, to make us sick, so that they can cure us and treat us for the conditions and illnesses and symptoms they caused at the first place. So now, here we go. A cure for cancer is